Today I'm going to talk about energy, protein and energy requirement for the dairy cows. The first foremost thing is the importance. The importance of the energy and protein for the dairy cow is important because they are used throughout the body of the cow, and because they are building blocks, therefore we have the cow is able to produce, maintain, grow and develop. So for the development is for the young stock and also for the old cows. For growth is both also for all the animals in the farm. For maintenance, it's a little bit different because of because the cow is being milked. It might be pregnant, and also it might be at a dry level. So the differentiation of these maintenance levels differ because depending on the cows, maybe the stage of life, the size of the cow, and also the level of which the animal is, either it is in calf, open, or producing milk. So we have metabolism of protein and energy levels within the system of the dairy cow. So during the metabolism, the proteins are broken down to amino acids, which are essential. They are broken down to essential amino acids, of which they are important for milk production. And also they are broken down further so that we do not have nitrogenous environmental pollution. So when they are broken down, so we have less environmental pollution. So we have the difference between the intake, energy and protein intake for maintenance and production. For maintenance, so we have the differentiate between the intake and the maintenance, and the intake for maintenance and intake for production. The metabolic functions, cows they use the energy and proteins for metabolic functions. They are breeding blocks. So for on lactating cows, it is used for synthesization of milk protein synthesization. So growth, reproduction for cows that are producing, and also for the cows that are in calf. So for production, they have very vital importance. That is for health, replacement of worn out tissues, and other activities within the cow's system. On recovery of worn out tissues, this is where we talk about the negative energy balance. This is where the cow produces more and consumes less. So due to that high level of production, the energy levels within the animal system and the protein levels goes down, so that the cows looks not per se emaciated, but has shrinked down due to wear out of the tissues. The relationship between protein and urea levels. Urea is a waste product of protein metabolism, of which it is noticed by a cow producing urine that is highly concentrated with the urea. So the proteins are broken down, so that is we have digestible amino acids and indigestible amino acids. Yeah. So how we check the levels of digestion of protein intake is through using a mixture of amino acids that are more slightly heavier than normal. That is, you should use stable isotopes. How to manage the protein intake? How you manage intake of the protein is through ensuring that the rations that are prepared for the cows, depending on the levels of stage of life, levels of production, life, that is age, level, the purpose of the rearing of the cow, of the dairy cow. If it is for meat, you ensure that they have a higher energy and protein level so that they can fatten fast. If it's for milk production, you increase more. You balance the protein levels and energy levels so that the cows might produce enough milk as you would desire. So it is through balancing the diet that you can manage proper protein intake. Thank you.